Shoppers want to see products quickly, compare their options, and buy without any hassle. That's exactly what Amazon Product Table help you achieve with AzonPress. After all, success in affiliate marketing largely depends on how well you present products. So today, you will learn how to create stunning Amazon product tables on your WordPress site with AzonPress and how to customize the table to make it truly your own. And trust me, it's easier than you think. So are you ready to turn click into cash? Let's get started. Head over to the Amazon tab inside AzonPress and click Product Table from the drop-down. Now select Create your first product table. A new page appears and this is where you will add a title for it. Let's call this one Ebook Inventory. Next, search for products using keywords or designated ASIN numbers. You will see a list of products show up on the page. But make sure your Amazon Associate account is connected to AzonPress to fetch Amazon product data. Once that's done, just pick the products you want to add to your table. And if you need more, click Load More from Next Page button until you have got the full selection. When you are satisfied, just hit Create Table. Congratulations, your first Amazon product table is ready. But we are not stopping there. Creating the table lays the foundation. Customization is where the table looks more appealing and engaging. Because with the right tweaks, you build customer trust and boost conversions. AzonPress gives you two ways to customize Amazon product table: Edit mode and Design mode. Edit mode is active by default, so let's start from there. Suppose you want to add an extra column like product ratings. This will add a strong social proof. For that, click Add Column, enter a title, choose Custom Rating from the column type. Now adjust the alignment and save. The new column instantly appears, where you can now add ratings next to each product. Here's a quick tip. If you want even more flexibility, you can use custom CSS to fine-tune colors, fonts, and borders so everything blends perfectly with your site. At that stage, if you'd like to add more products, simply click the Add Products button. And if you feel like reorganizing, just drag and drop, move columns left or right, rows up or down, however you want. Now, switch over to Design mode. On the sidebar, you will find styling options. From there, first choose a framework. Semantic UI is a solid choice, but you can pick whichever matches your site. Then set a color scheme according to your choice. Decide how many products to display per page and adjust the rest of the styling features until the table fits your brand. Once you are satisfied with the design, save your changes and click Preview to double check everything. Looks good. So let's copy the shortcode from the top and paste it into any WordPress site or post. And that's it. You have successfully built and customized an Amazon product table with AzonPress. Now your visitors can quickly compare products, weigh their options, and make confident buying decisions, all without leaving your site. That's the power of AzonPress. Simple setup, flexible customization, and a professional look that works. So go ahead and give it a try. Grab AzonPress now and take your affiliate game to the next level. See you in the next video.